As you look at this sell-off that we've been seeing and the rise in yields that we've been seeing, I guess the two are somehow connected. But what do you make of the sell-off that has taken us down 1,500 points or so from Dow 40,000?
Well, honestly, not a whole heck of a lot. This is just deleveraging. It's classic. It's highly technical. There are a lot of people, Tyler, that missed out on the Nvidia run, along with a lot of other AI. So some nasty grams, some nastiness wouldn't be unexpected because they want to buy back in at lower prices.
So you think this is sort of a technical pullback, I guess is how I would describe it.
I do. I think it's very much a technical pullback. It's something that should be talked about a lot more, but it's not. And the average retail investor is left wondering what happened. But really, this is the big guys just scrumming around in the middle of the field, stay on the sidelines, let it work itself out, but buy intelligently, continue to play offense, because that's how you win.
So you see this as basically a buying opportunity, and you see it continuously, and have, to your credit, as a buying opportunity in Nvidia, which you think can go much higher from here.
Oh, you're very kind to remember that. Thank you. Yeah, we've been tracking that one for a long time. This is a tough business.
I'm kind to remember it because you reminded me.
Well, we started tracking this thing at 100.
It's all fair, man.
Everybody thought we were bananas to say it's going to go to 1,000 and split. But yeah, I think it goes to 2,000, 2,300, and here's why. We've got 60, 70% margins. They're trading a forward PE of 30. I think the company's going to track to 45, 50 on that side. So it's not hard to get to that $2,000 number. Now, post-split, that's 200, 230. But this is unprecedented in human history, and demand is just scorching everything we know about how supply chain works. Every company on the planet will adapt, adopt, or die. They're the clear band leader here.
You're right to take a victory lap here, Keith. Absolutely. You were talking about this. At some point, I'm going to say, why are you even you must have enough to go to a desert island somewhere, enjoy a margarita, and just call it a day. You don't have to come talk to us. But what I was going to say about sort of speaking of incredible moves, if you're right that Nvidia goes to 2,000 or 2,300 from here, it's going to be a $5 or $6 trillion company. Do you think that's plausible?
Yeah, I do. I not only think it's plausible, I think it's absolutely possible and likely. Again, the thing that is amazing to me, and we talk to investors all over the world about this, is people continue to think about AI as a technology. It is potentially the greatest technology of all time. And companies like, it's not just Nvidia, it's AMD, it's Apple, it's Microsoft. Apple in particular, I think we're going to find out very shortly, has been far more involved in AI than the public knows, and they're getting ready to unleash what I think is going to be another iPhone moment. So it's not just Nvidia, but we've got to be careful here.